Pack 1, BBBB. Schmied. That was good, BBBB. Pack number 2, BBB. Renaissance, Galchenyuk, Sati, Wingles. So the new team of the week is so dirty. Nah, the first 2 packs were a bust, Alex. Huh? Nah, Alex blessed me with his card. He had like a gift card, and I bought 3 packs. He gave me the info. Fucked up. You're gonna nut, son. Carey Price! Dude, I pulled a Carey Price. I swear to God, I just pulled a Carey Price. 92. He's a 92 goalie. I swear to God on my life, I just pulled a Carey Price. I swear to God on my life. I swear to God on my life, I pulled a Carey Price. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh my God. It's a 92 goalie. I swear to God, I just pulled a Carey Price. Oh my God. That's so sick. Oh, that's so sick. I'm not sure. But he's a 92 goalie. Oh my God.